Hey guys, good morning. Now we got a little fog rolling in off the ocean. Anyways, a quick little review on what we're going to be doing today. And then, the last video we talked about that beam, the sill beam that we had made. So this block wall was pretty shaky, and back in the day they only used a few anchor bolts in that old sill. So we're going to tie back into the new sill. What we're going to do is we have these erection bolts, 3/4 inch, 8 3/25, and we're gonna cut the bolt and weld it to the rod, and drill a hole through our plating, and then send the rod down the wells, and then fill the wells with concrete. And then after the concrete's cured, we're going to crank on them bolts so we have a solid connection to that beam that we had made to our block wall. So our rod goes all the way down to the first course, and that first course is tucked. The slab is tucked in front of it, so we have total strength in the lateral direction, because we're tied in at the footing to the slab, and we're tied in at that beam we had made. So that's a number 6 rod, by the way. Rebar number 6. That's 3/4, so that's not going to bend. If something pushed on it in the concrete, it ain't bending. All right, guys, I'll splice it together so you can see the rest of it. It's all filled up.